Hello my friends, I am back with a new video. In this video we will learn how to change the last name in the Bigo Live application. If you don't know what Bigo Live is, it is a profitable platform similar to the TikTok platform. Through it you can start a live broadcast and benefit from the gifts offered by supporters. You can withdraw gift profits through agencies in the application. If you want to know more information, you can message me on my Instagram account. And now, don't forget to like the video to get the largest number of views. Subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates.